Hello students, today we discuss the civics chapter 1 power sharing. First of we will deal the part A Belgium. Geographical composition of Belgium. Geographical composition involves the area, size, population, neighboring countries, etc. So Belgium is a small country in Europe. It lies in Europe continent and its area is smaller than the area of state of Haryana in our country. It has border with France, Netherlands, Germany and Luxembourg. In other words, we can say that it shares land boundary with France, Netherlands, Germany and Luxembourg. These four countries surrounded the Belgium. Its population is about little over 1 crore and the population of Haryana is about little over 2 crore. So in other words, we can say that its population is about half the population of Haryana. Now we will deal with the ethnic composition. There are two regions in Belgium, Flemish and Wallonia. Flemish is northern region, Wallonia is southern region. There about 59% people live and they speak Dutch language. In Wallonia, which is southern region, there are about 40% people live and they are French speaker. 59 plus 40, 99%. So remaining 1% people speak German language. So in entire country of Belgium, 59% people speak Dutch language, 40% people speak French language, 1% people speak German language. The capital city of Belgium is Brussels. Its ethnic composition is different from the entire country. There are about 80% people French speaker and 20% people are Dutch speaker. So we get that in entire country Dutch are in majority but they are in minority in the capital city Brussels. Now recently we discussed about the ethnic composition. So what is the ethnic? A social division based on shared culture. When we divided the society into different social groups on the basis of same language, same culture, same religion, etc. Such types of groups are known as ethnic group. Now we have seen that the minority of French speaking community in the entire country, French are in minority, but they were relatively rich and powerful from the beginning in the country. फ्रेंच रूसी देश में रिच और पावरफुल रहे बेल्जियम के अंदर. This was resented by Dutch speaking community. It means French were rich and this thing was not liked by the Dutch speaking community, who got the benefit of economic development and education much later, because Dutch got the benefit of economic development and education in the Belgium very late. That's why they dislike the French. This led tension between the Dutch speaking and French speaking communities. Gradually tensions were increased between the French speaking community and Dutch speaking communities, mainly during the years of 1950s and 1960s. This was the time when tensions were increased. Brussels presented a special problem and main problem faced by Brussels, because Dutch speaking community was in majority in the country but Dutch were in minority in the capital city Brussels. Now when the tensions were took place in the Belgium, how they solve these conflicts, how they bring the accommodation when different types of peoples live together, different ethnic groups live together within a same country. So how Belgium accommodate the different communities in their country? The Belgian leaders took a different path. They follow the path of power sharing. Between 1970s and 1993, they amended their constitution 4 times. 4 बार उन्होंने देश का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन चेंज किया 1970 to 1993, so as to work out an arrangement that would enable everyone to live together within the same country. एक ऐसा अरेंजमेंट तैयार किया गया so that different types of peoples, different communities live together with harmony within a same country, and so that conflict not happen in that country. Now, elements and features of Belgian model of follows. So after amendments, new constitution was formed. So what are the features of Belgian model of constitution? It was a now model for the different countries. First feature of the Belgian model of the constitution. Constitution prescribed that the number of Dutch and French speaking ministers shall be equal in the central government. Now there will be equal number of ministers from Dutch and French speaking communities in central government. Dutch were in majority, but still they accepted the equal representation to both communities in central government. Some special law required the support of majority of members from each linguistic group. कोई भी स्पेशल लॉ पास करने के लिए नाउ इट वाज नेसेसरी द मेजॉरिटी ऑफ बोथ linguistic groups, Dutch and French. Thus no single community can make decision unilaterally. So we can say that अब एक कोई भी single community Dutch या French कोई भी law अपनी मर्जी से पास नहीं कर सकते थे. For such law they required the consent of both linguistic groups. Many powers of central government have been given to state government. Some powers were taken from central and given to state governments. There were 2 regional government, they are known as state government also, Flemish and Wallonia. So some power were taken from central government given to these regional governments. Now these 2 regions governments were no longer subordinate to central government. Now these governments were independent. Brussels has a separate government. Like in our country, our capital New Delhi having a separate government. Same as in Belgium, Brussels is the capital city. It has a separate government. But in Brussels, French were in majority and Dutch were in minority. So, in which both communities have equal representation. In the capital also, both communities are having the equal representation. In the central government, Dutch accepted the equal representation. In the capital, French accepted the equal representation. There is a third kind of government. There were 2 types of governments. One is central government, second is state government. So new type of government also formed in Belgium, that is community government. It is elected by people belonging to one language, that is Dutch, French and German. Dutch, French, German, all these 3 linguistic groups elected their community governments. डच के लिए सेपरेट कम्युनिटी गवर्नमेंट थी, फ्रेंच के अलग, जर्मन के अलग. नो मैटर वेयर दे लिव, इट डजंट मैटर दैट इन विच रीजन द पीपल्स आर लिविंग. सम पावर वर ऑल्सो गिवन टू द कम्युनिटी गवर्नमेंट, like culture based issues, educational based issues and language related issues. These powers were given to the community governments. So these arrangements worked so well that accommodation took place in Belgium. Conflict was solved in this country when different countries of Europe continent come together and formed an association known as European Union. That time they chose the Brussels as the headquarter of European Union. That's all for today, students.